Yes. Time check in our studios at Zali 2 after 3. And then a 140222. 14th day in the month of February 2022. Yes. We started a brand new week. A fresh one. At the same. Sabi Biaba there. Yeah, that trade and Kwame Mpere A.K.A. So the end of the day, I do me no get that's what I'm income. I'm sure I catch you, be so can't you be so okay. The finest radio show. Ever welcome. It's all about the Akwaaba Drive. The most entertaining, exciting, educative, entertainment show. Get it, bro? At the same. Me mama Akwaaba.
Where's the Lord? Akwaaba on la rive. Welcome. Where's the Lord?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
On la rive.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Highly spiritual. Okoman Radio.
I refrain when you pam and so damn in Payane said, Miramfi Papa, why am here? It's your Nikajania Sido. I refrain when you pam. I dear Bakona Miss Rene said, Miramfi Papa, why am here? That's a me pom pom koshamechi. Baby, I'm a friend, baby, I'm ready. Or therefore, why now better me on your way?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Wait there, it had to be you. That's fine. I said me boom pom pom koshamechi. Baby, I'm a friend, baby, I'm ready. Or therefore, why now better me on your way? I said me susu oso sisi. Stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. We are blazing.
You held me close, so closer than a brother, so closer than a brother. Truth is, I gave up on myself, cause my back was against the wall.
Okoman Radio.
And that's when you know, but I gave you a call, and you answered my prayer at once. You made a way. But I gave you a call, and you answered my prayer at once. You made a way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Me boom pom pom koshamechi. Baby, I'm a friend, baby, I'm ready. Or therefore, one over to me away. Hey, that's a me susu oso sisi. Stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you.
We are blazing.
I let your way salute money,
We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
You wrote me off, I got called me in. I may be down, so you say I'm a man. Meaning, I'm imaginary. Or come me with me, so don't have. Or the match, I'm bound to win. Empty shot, not shame me, cause I'm a work in progress. Oh, yeah, me went to my home. Oh, I me went to my one, no carry move. Meaning, I'm imaginary. Maria, I guess the bar. And show me home, my won't fear. If I'm in preference, if you carry me, that's a much I say I get so well in part. And show me home, my won't fear. If I'm in preference, if you carry me, that's a much I say I get so well in part. Some she ran the money pay on the phone, or bread to my fair being come, or so she ran where she ran. say no. Watching us sem coming kwani nim. Made me watching no pumpy. Ninja in the muda. Open me bonia open back to sender.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I'm bound to win. Oh yeah, me watch you my home. Obey me watch you my one quarry moon. Meaning I'm Martin Edinty. Maria Baya Cassipa. And shall be home my bonfire. And for me, I'm married me. As a master say, I get so well. Hey, and shall be home my bonfire. And for me, friends, I'm married me.
We are blessed. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey, Okoman Okoman Radio 97.1.
I may be down, so you say I know me. Minim yam yam accidenti. Or can me women surodom head. But in the she, I'm bound to win. It's a shed, not show me beyond. Cause I'm a work in progress, what's it? I am a watch to my home. I am a watch to my one quarry moon. Minim yam yam accidenti. Maria Baya Cassipa. And show me home, my bonfire. And I'm a different friend, and marry me. As a master say, my sister, I've been part.
We are blessed. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I'm bound to win. Oh, yeah, me went to my home. Oh, yeah, me went to my one quarry moon. Meaning, I'm Martin Edinty. Maria Baya Cassipa. And shall be home, my bonfire. She ran the money pay off the phone. Or break you man fabbing come or Suru Shira one now she ran. Nipper be around to me say no.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Ninja in the muda. Open me bonia or pepper back to sender. Your Timmy Mono ni me type for one or your dumb city. I'm bound to win. Oh, yeah, me went to my home. Oh, yeah, me went to my one quarry moon. Minim yam yam Martin Edinty. Maria Baya Cassipa. And show me whom my bonfire. Ever me pray to be and carry me. That's why my say it's well.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blessed.
Ever me pray to be and carry me. That's why my say kitty.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Just one word is all I need. A true bet you want a term. Casa do and Fashima. Eradicasa, Namanya Masu. Just one word is all I need. Your word is yes and
we are blessed.
Your words are true, you never lie. Whatever you say shall come to pass. What's every other voice, so yeah. It's an opinion, they can have it. Eradicaso, Casa. Every other voice, it's an opinion, they can have it. Eradicaso, Casa. Now what yes,
Eradi wasem yankwa wasem yesusum Eradi wasem yankwa. A doctor can save your life. A lawyer can defend your life. A soldier can give you a peaceful life. But only God can give you everlasting life. A doctor can't save your life, a lawyer can't defend your life, a soldier can give you a peaceful life, but only God can give you everlasting life. Can you shout a very big amen? Be patient something. And sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best. Be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best. Be patient. Si abutre. Eto de bi esese obomodian fa ohaw. Ana wo fa ne edin mu. Na wo nkunimdie. Ana se ene papa. Abushia mi mamu nyina Akwaaba. Ade bodudu agi atum kasafidie iso hi Okoman 97.1 radio. Yeah, from me na Kwame Mpere A.K.A from The Phynest. The man nyina aka chire ne me. Yeah, the radio say so din ne day atom me no mienu. Indeed, we are in a month of love. A month full of love. God is love. I don't think I said my and that me no kasa obi ani agye se ni nua ho akere no. And that me no kasa obi ani agye se sabe ni nua bi akwa ho hia bi mo. And that me no kasa obi ani agye se sabe ni nua bi wanya sam ne yede ne ko. And na obi ani agye se sabe obi kunu gya no. And obi ani agye se sabe obi yiri gya no. And obi ani agye se obi bawu. But as we are in a month of love, it is my prayer that you have a change of heart, a change of mind. As I say, we are doing sachra, enya kuma sachra, and no pade bemu ado eye wunu ase wo ho. Ye ka so da nana enya se wuti manimi. Odo ni se me no betwe pransa ma kire se me do. Ana se me waro se me yire ansa ma kire se me do. Ana se me waro edi ama me nua bi as me hu se wo ye me busuani. You have to show love to whoever that you come across in life. Obi biara hu be hia no wo dada brabo mu bia sanipa no should also be your priority in a positive action. Na what to say? Me who you finest. Na where did he? Afiansa. Erade nkayo. But obi akuma okutani ya akuma boni ya in such a way say every day you want to see people falling. A person who says somebody afufuro ehwiase. A person who says somebody afufuro akwa hunyehiem. A person who says somebody afufuro akwa nimguasiemu ansana kuma atoni yem. Na medical culture say merana swan. Ewurade be bisa wo say abra wunuane se opa nsuo no no ma ni nsuo no ye abra wunuane ka se opa atare akata na deja so no ma na atare hye abra samre wunuane ka se opa bia bi di ti ato no wo ma ne ba bi ma ne di ni tito ya na eni ma basa asa obi bedum obi ade kakra gi so bisa mpempem wo nipa ne ho especially aya man no kura no masam ye mmobo obi bebo maden atum obi ama na adwuma ose bra be dance mamu adwuma no kura no wode no me aka no obi bebo maden abu obi ase ade ne de 50-50 yanya ni 50-50 de ne me mfa ma ho I am sorry. Ochabre no so Bible no say Ewurade be bisa nana o me bisa say abra Ewurade ka say oh me pe nsuo wan ma me nsuo anom me pe aduane wan ma me bi ani me pa atare bi akata me deja so wan ma maden anom me bi me pa ba bi me ti ato wan fa anom me na we bisa say na Ewurade da ben na ba kra na me bisa nsuo a wo Ewurade wo bisa me nsuo ama ma Dabana bisa taria man timi amfa bi amfa sama usa jikoshe. En taria bebre ami woi. No beka se wanya ma wonua no. Wanya ma mi. Ewi abre me no kasasa damfo me no kasasa nua. Me no kasasa mbri se sambre wonua dofo bi a wonsi me fam. Ma odo endi kan wo bibi biara woye bia mo. Emfa ewiase ahohiahia. Emfa owiase ahokyere. Emfa sambre wiase sambre kodanna. Wopem ampem, wobisa wunya. Emfa nye bibi ntia wonua. Be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best. But I'm talking about love. It's an say and being Vows Day, 14 February, St. Valentine. About Madian Vows Day, Bass, I see so I G2 Muse Yebedi. And Crawford Twisted Vows Day, no ma yebi before. Vows Day, and no one could out by who benyasem. Vows Day, and no one could out who couldn't well benyasem. Vows Day, and no one shot at a cocoa, you with your won't come. But I came to tell you the love that we are talking about is about loving one another in a very nice way. It's not about sexual love. It is about loving one another. Wouldn't you how you how? Wouldn't you uncle your wenije? Wouldn't you ye dear a wenije? Somebody wouldn't you attackering a your attackering? Wouldn't you hear see your hear? That is the love we are sharing this afternoon. Nana Sanka wuti way. Nanka nemen timi amma. Sanka baby sasa na Kwame way. Yakasi me ya bekasi oh enso na ebi enyo na otaduro mami. Odo surunku asamre wo ma afoforo. You don't have to show it when they are in a critical condition and as a waste moment answer. As I because oh and I me penase mo we answer na grofo be dia dance media minya and kasamre ye kan grofo won asem asori dem a yes tribute you say de no nipa ne tiase na say wo kan tribute enye wawu answer wo kan sem de bi dia fa nipa ne ho. This is the moment. This day being 14th, tell the person how much the person is so special. And your mommy, and your yere, and your girlfriend, Penessa, catch and say Happy Valentine's Day. You have to tell people, other people. It can be your male friend, a female friend. It can be your manager. It can be your boss. It can be whoever. Express your love. SS love. And we are so bad, Jimmy Atum. And then who come Mia Bebrema. Christianity is adopting Valentine's Day in a very grand style because and Canaan can Crawford to take us on a pin hana kosopa. And can Valentine's Day the boy when we buy our game pa and Mia Bebre na Valentine's Day ni dino I was street so. But and sorry Bebre me no kasa numerous programs oh. And sorry, baby, and you may no case programs or being the Orthodox churches or the charismatic churches programs or because one ya and and you are losing them. Are we for God or we are for Satan? Abushia, and we are brave. I only came to tell you, sir, be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst time to get the best. But for the best to come, you need to show love. The boy me kuta one video. Come me so me we aduane wa. And if for one CD ni tonsuo, na me so yendi aduane no. That is what we are talking about. Come me one pabua bebre. Wo so wo top bebre. Je pabua kakra, na me so me ma top kakra. That is the love we are talking about. Sharing with one another. And only odona ye ka ho asem. Na Mrs. Sabe Bible said we are akwala wo twin said yen akwala na wonyi nsu a obomade yen adwin se pani esane se abra na emini bi atwam ko when we used to be with them. The Valentine's Day said we need to travel all the way to particular places to go and enjoy with women. As I see you to akwan, near Frank Crawford, catch us a giant bow, she red, she hot or no. ene obi ka so se asennua no ho asem ye nkwase asem ebinom but asennua no ho asem asommo. It's that when you understand the steps and the word of God, wobati niam bebre ase hwe ebinum ene me no ka say ene date your 14th ma ho the next 9 months enkofo be wo enkofo be nyinse enkofo be wire because still enkofo be nti wi ase here. I came to tell you say the love we are talking about is the love. And he said, a janibo modia small banu fear, so bass, I say so. Bonino and Nibi. I am a new me and bonny. And a buffer, tea, or home. Yet in Tasio good so. Abo modia one and feet, a piao. You're born in some that do it's only me and bonny. Edu baby. So for Edu baby, who said Bema Emre? I say Anke Jebeya Sakruway. Manem Param. The Dushi tell you that even Obano Krabas are sinosono when Yaniama Totroto. It is Susa Samri would you or Yobi Shawakuma Mua time for fro. Susa would you or Yobi Shawakuma Mua Samri walk out for Frobi ye dear. And for Frobin Koswaya ya. Adi Yame Bapa the Encoso. And Yamin Yabipa me mane maso. Already my address such a Oma or do Indi account with BBM. And that being 14th day in the month of February 2022. And as my prayer that you'll be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best. And maybe say, you know, except for Tassa Sambre, over call a young when you hear him kakra. Name the Paneba, it could be the Abutrino. I rather the above fell so. Meaning, me had the boy walker. Now, and 14th February, Valentine Day. Meaning, some go for baby Wabonti and you may more triangle programs are hold. Then when you make catch out, say, Dounia, Do Yonko, Do Bibiara or Ben when ne. And now when you be a can any mum. And ne, I was talking to a pastor friend. Me be ya the boy me no papa mu ya me say me koya ade abi me be ya na me sofo bi kasa no say Kwame wonim bibi ade a mehu ni say enkofo bebre niema bi aka hye because it was someday somehow or ye bibi onu obi and at the end of the day nipa ne de oya ayi ne ho abompaye e wodan mu anase wasu agu obi so onim oko office one time one nice time into okoni baby and so sad de no ye no me wo nipa na bra boso ebi nim
Kwame ebi am ka say and cry for omunya kromfo it an say e ba na say no bitimi hwim obi phone e on cry and cry get where you and cry one of the smallest region in Ghana no Accra kan but nipa na ho bebre obitimi hwim obi phone e on cry ye hu ni bio phone ye hu achi kwan bio obitimi akowi ade e wa America obedwane abehye Ghana e be track na fiwa ba beche no ha what they say good nipa bi ene fi ba bi abetena nkran e was abra no so they say Kwame Mpere me kan wie nyina ne say nipa bi nanka e ya say the vast day no so they say bi me kan say mi say Christopher oman yi mu nko Ghana nko a Christopher sorry I just 20% to help on mine and Kankwa on mine Ghana Kwame ye hu hia ye hu aho kire ye hu yare Kwame say Christopher na translate see apesi ye ntwam na first ni esipe say bi obi wu Friday no
na ye nya house bi di ye kwa ye nya house bi fa
any black and white
any black no ma twa TV no
Christopher ni tum say be twa apesi mu no be si ne me say Kwame say Christopher ka say ebia na wotwe na die ye mfa nya yie da nipa no be na wotwe na no amomra na enya yi na Kwame eto be twa ni ma bi won ma Christopher dem na si fam a un say some years now a Christopher no and next be mekwa asore anwumre eti na ma fa me hu dada no mekwa asore akura na se maka kire o say me ba akura na se obi a menko ba bia itenya ade obi betu ka anabitu nan akọ sebe ba bia agi ani na akoye ne ense ne mfata a Christian form ever when you Ninya Bibia condemnation. You condemn at the end of nothing. Abibu boy. Not as you Kwame. Papa me print here when your man ra kakra.
I say Valentine.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is the 8 year after the death of Christ. Unya BC before 8 year after. And Roman 4 epese. Roman 4 doing answer kombegu nyamesom. Especially Christos no kombegu no. Ana saint we say there be mempre. Anu mu na ya chiri kotumu. Ababa wano kwa na no ye na adwe say nam no sunti ya chiri kotumu no. Na baba no ye friend ni papa so ye friend. Otimi nyo odo de ma baba we akopum say ye ko twa ni ti. Ye twa ni ti o. Ye ko twa ni ti po ogina ho. Yeah. Let anyone can kind some at the end na Pope for brother say near Valentine ye mommy or wada or dirty mama yen kai. So I say Kwame it one I be my kai no. And yes sir Miguel be a pen that one play and then me kind ye. Another question I will be sir. Miguel be a pen and one play and ye. Me kind papa be a cover mama maybe. I say mom pen last one say me couldn't have a samba. It's not your pema from. Yeah, Kwame, and your girl be awesome, and your boy be awesome. Who's an American MHB 444? Beloved, let us love. What I say? Yes. In God alone as love is true. In God alone. And in your pons so no that Kwame Debbie American say me your bonny and my young bonny. I mean, if before say, Sabi me can say before say, Ibia, Sabi me papa, yes, I'm your papa. You who pay me yame, who nana, or damn yame, you don't see me yame. It is a media idea boy, I'm the boy yankopon. Yeah, who knows out there now? Oh, thrones are boy area. Oh, so boy yankopon. Yeah. Oh, for be there, who's a old fun yankopon. Oh, you are there. It's a name you may. Oh, my margin say, may Tamu Presbini, or back of last night, not of funny TV. Yamin Oko Yano.
Mami Kasa, you see, always black people love each other like they love Jesus. Let's just say before you do Yanko Pompa, as you know, I wish black people love each other like they love Jesus.
Jesus is a black Jew, he's not a black man. Yeah, Jesus Christ, he's a black Jew. Say now America, you want black Americans. America is Africa.
But we cry the Jesus no ni suit no can. But our kase nipa menu mienu sania ye do ewrade ye tie ewrade a ye hopo no
ye don say ofiemu onye brodi ofia ye ni be see Africa ha ye ni be see Misrim ye be won o Misrim ono ani nua no tan so mbeku no ye tie na Herod etan Jesus Christ nyina o nyina fia busu aba akum. If you read say ye ka concordance ni ade a ye be hunu unse ai Pilate and Herod no munya paramount chief Yesu nti no mun kasa but they go Yesu ascendium no say sada no omunyina be ye omoye kro and Jesus he brought love this Valentine Day a chiro do Kwame me ka sembi madam for and I ba ye na ye ba sheka or say chill but don't freeze who freeze here that na me niziki na ye hwe cars bi a freeze I think Japan no I am a digging in Joe. Cow, a frizzy, it me frizzy ama light pole, a boo. Yeah, it's your name, you know. Maybe I can be in front of my chill, but don't freeze. Come here. You take Christopher and Yabre, especially Methodist Presbyterian Yabre, and that day, you know. Last year was the last 2 years. I know can say if you 9 months' time. Ebi Jibrao, and I be out. 1 year near Namibua. It is 9 months and we January more and December. Omo Valentine. Omuni America omuni omutemino omuni asoro no kwa Valentine wo mu no youth for na anyenye ye ebi awo. Me na make kira enti na nwumre ye papa no asofo mpanyifo no ye power they should be on guard. Because last time be akwa no mimi ko bi. Ye power me mba fie no ye be frɛ ye me si ebi awo. Say 9 months na nipa wo ebi awo 1 year mu nie.
Okay, may I say so the essence of my anyway mami Fonsia time checking our studios exactly 37 after 3. This is the safest drive in the heart of the capital, Akwaaba Drive on Okoman 97.1 radio. You're from it, and I Kwame Mpere A.K.A. Me from The Phynest. And my man, you know, I catch you in a man. Look on Facebook Live by Okoman Radio 97.1. YouTube, Okoman Radio 97.1. Twitter, at Okoman 971. Instagram, at Okoman 971. Transmitting live from Merima Chumni Memorial House, a Kopone Kape Mamanfo. Who met me about Madiani Abedi Juma. And Opa, we are in Yumri, Yabutuha. And it's time for me to turn things around. This is how I start my evening. My vows day. And then my boy Donyum Papa. My boy Donyum. Memo Philly or Donyum Papa. The cabinets, the riches. Memo feeling Yum Papa. Be right back.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
See me no fear, man. See, I fade ya. Pakuma na fear, man. I do this world. Quinty, my brainy order semia. My brainy order semia.
Hey, station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I won't care number of times you will break my heart, baby. I can never give you up. I love you so much more. So samba, but yeah, what to do? I know I'm a Akwaaba. I will deny the truth and be living a lie. So much cheaper, so much cheaper, I could have jumped into the ocean just for you.
Okoman Akwaaba. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nenso mama fa wa ya basa o modin kwa e bo mi damia edwana jwa mi damena o ni sunkwa e for me so yeah
Okoman Radio yes
I won't care number of times you will break my heart, baby. I can never give you up. I love you so much more. So samba, but yeah, what to do? I'm a Akwaaba. I'll deny the truth. I'm living the lie. So somewhere cheap and quiet. Okoman
Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Abraham Maneka say, Mom's joint back up it. A man for a kufu. Okoman Radio. Oh, my champion. Okoman from my man can you? Can you cry? Must say baby. Minimum rock cry. No boy, you are not true. There should be a meteor. Only size what? Baby, I will be a sorry what you brought. All the
Okoman Radio.
Never cross his name. I want some food. I don't miss trouble for check. And I mean,
we are blazing.
I want some food. Just rap on it for check. And I mean, I'm going, mobo. Never was it today, I was it. Oh, me found show from me pony. Now I am mobile. Oh, me found show from me pony. Now I am mobile. Me, I. Oh, the me, you man. Oh, me found show from me pony. Now I am mobile. Oh, the me, you man. Oh, me found show from me pony. Now I am mobile.
And the 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Yes, baby. And the 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
You are the one that I
And the 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Sorry, love, I can't lose you now. See, you are the one that I truly love. I know you came from up above. Sorry, love, I can't lose you now. Oh, I almost set my food, yeah. I know it's never if I tell. And I'm your uncle, mommy, Nimbo, never was it today, I was it.
And the 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Abraham and A.K.A, Mommy's joint tobacco, a man for a kufu room, Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my bank, can you cry? Must say that, minimum have rock cry, no poor you and a fool. There's no be a museum. Only size what?
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, yes, baby. Okoman Radio 97.1. Ya som tupe Okoman Radio. Open my any kind of phone.
It's the magic of the star.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Honey, only your love can light my world from afar.
Nanajua Ekropon, Debiamitie Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okoji on mine. Okoman Radio, Ejim Ekwabi mine. Debiatie 97.1. Okoman
Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Well, I tried to find the perfect words to explain my love for you.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
In everything I do. Nasate mudapa, it's all emoji ni moja shishi yako, honey. My love for you is forever and ever.
97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mia kase Okoman asokwa jumowi ejijete ye to bar to bu afa.
Hello everyone, this is Jane Anderson from Snake from PROMOTIONAL. Today I'm happy to be at Okoman Akwaaba casting. The experience here is great, it's wonderful. They have a wonderful customer service here. Their place is very beautiful, the environment is so welcoming, and I will entreat you all to take time out of your schedule. If you have a business, just come around, see the place for yourself. It will call you, it will attract you to come and do your advert and other activities. Thank you. Keep listening to Okoman FM. Okoman FM, they are great.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
ACP Kofi Buachi, Okoman FM, Korea Mantem, and so sing the camp. Near my warrior, no Busuye, now Obayano, Yadeto, say near, not just say Okoman at the Mufua. 1 year maybe our council would issue. I tell you what you mean, Kofi Buachi, ACP. Leading one dance say, Magic, Pangabi, ya can say, I don't want to see. Young boy, I say, Okoman Day, Yatawachi, Yakope, Sunny and Penning kind was the Ophia Nifi, Okoman Day, Ophia, Enti Okoman.
My prisoner of time. Oh, all the saints that went away. Every single job ain't hokoi. Every trying to slowly, oh. Since I touch it in until. Oh, all the saints that went away. Every single job ain't hokoi. Every trying to slowly, oh. Since I touch it in until. Hey, I'm for say, I grew dead. Baby, I was like pursue. That's so empty, said. Honey, who are we chin hard? Out of the yes, so you
Okoman Radio 97.1.
And a special one from me to you, Mr. and Mrs. A.C. Labis. It's exactly 7 years today. Hey, Mikayo. My wife there. We'll be here 14th February. Doctor. One Angie. Now, Mr. and Mrs. A.C. Labi. Honorable. It's exactly 7 years today. You are still on. Hopefully 2nd May. Hey, I'm so many 7. That's our girl. Mami Mama the Mrs. Rahila Yumun Perry. A.K.A. De Phynest. At the say that. Happy Valentine's Day. And come on Trustina Robin Perry and Tricia Allen. When you know more Royal School at the saying. And this is a special one from me to you, Kwajanchi. And this one is a banger. And come on, not Damia. A.K.A. Betty. Happy Valentine's Day going out to you. Okay. And to you, Joanna. Joanna Crow, send him your day. Joanna, Bibi Abakodi, I'm a paribia. Happy birthday going out to you. I will pim tetebia. Okay. That's right. Enkoma Ghana emenyina. Eme wo wi ase nyina. Ene meme wo wi ase nyina. Me mamu nyina happy Valentine Day. Jaga. Every night be so saying you remember. Okay, man, what's a restaurant? Val's Day at the corner. Val's Day at the corner. So you made your honor, me wo. Who be some asia? Oh, good. Reverend Isaac Abuaje, A.K.A Osofo Ajinkwa. Sabi bi abako there. Happy birthday to Mama Vic. Mrs. Ohene. Iti head the boy. Iti the boy wa. And it's still on. No. We just activated the live light. Oh my God, studio will have bright and fire. Join me on Facebook Live. Let's do this together. Matias here. Once again, it's the Surfers Drive in the heart of the capital. A.K.A. And then we feel you don't know what radio so I'm how to bet it. What do you do, eh? Want you? David, won't even say much. Repeat this song once again. Bring this tune back. It's a tune from me to everyone out there. Enjoy yourself. Hey, to the new couples in town. Hey, Mamia. When a police. Okay.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
What do you say? I don't pay me. Put him there, yeah, I'm a me. What do you say? I don't pay me. This one I'm in anything from. I want I'm a boy, anything dear true. What do you say? I don't pay me. What is that? Sass and magic. Sorry, I'm about one drink. Go dance to our drink.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Me wanna swim into Mingaza. Me do it, say I know me.
Me baby, I say, me better don't go. Until you hear me more.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Me baby, I say, me better don't go. But do you don't sing me.
Me very ass is say me better don't go. Say what you need, boy. Me very ass is say me better don't go. But some must say me don't see you beyond.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
I need someone to call my own. Me and I make a yeah. Now I found someone to sit on my
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Within the A.K.A Castro, no Mandela Market. I want to make a watching. Castro back up no size. Okoman for my the papa. Me feel them. Okoman for my man here be woo. Oh, Okoman for my Jenny na Mumone yo. Ya mama do my pa and then the power the abo men you. Yes, you could have sing shit.
when them days any I know.
We are blazing.
Me very ass is sad. Me better don't cry. Say what I am. Me know, yeah. Me very ass is sad. Me better don't cry. But tomorrow, yeah, me don't sing, oh, yeah.
97.1 blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey, station where the man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.
Debi abushe meni mana miyem na mini musebodonti. Ni atati ama ya pimpam kuntu hane konechi ya yenchi. Achechedia wode boko na beko na woni musebonka kwentimfi. Nti mesere fa wonto mabo media no na yemba mpesi kakre bi na yendi. Edi twemo wa wo hwene ya mefe. Fema no wana me jimi abete jeje me so na wodi musebonko na mepe. Be chance ye pe wa chenye ne.
Hey, station where the man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.
Odama kumenyi na wo wonkoa. Adwindwini ya jojo nkoa. Abere huwa ne ya tete nkoa. Odama kumenyi na wo wonkoa. Adwindwini ya jojo nkoa. Abere huwa ne ya tete nkoa.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Kumenyi na wo wonkoa. Yeah. What else? One bomb horns.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah, Atemase, Metenase, Wodia Mache, Odomu Tatashe, Ahomache, Natawole Bonase, Mese Wodobra, was it Muramate, Wodemuye, and Commode, the Hunti Mempemba, Yasimi Homose, the two menia, me who want to pet, me home bar peas, one on a mesene pet, baby, you know. That you the one, hold on for me. I tell me what's a hamatan. My told us Cinderella, now I told me Peter Pan. Yeah, we hear the crime, me, you would do more for Rijan.
We are blazing.
It is a what I see, I'm into me, how, or does for one crowd. They do Kuromun, Suomu, Akona. Mabene Jama Homa, my Mobo, June, July, Suoka, see it in Yankabeto. When you Tiani, no with Jama Hoko. Would you disseminate to me at Naho, Eddie Suja, I got pim the Bany. Marbin as a waffle me, I saw the open to my cine bina yempi.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Marami Brony
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Me Brony We am cold Bro
Okoman Radio 97.1.
The mafia
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Your attention makes me feel special. You don't know. We've been walking through sticks and stones for so long. The pictures be brave of phones, so can me.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Why you do worry when people see me with you? Why you do bore that I posted a picture we took? If the love we share is real, what are you way post to me? And from into post to me. Post me on Twitter, post to me. Post me on Facebook, post to me.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Post me on Insta, yeah. My brown one team for free. When they know you're in love, they go talk about us. This is what they do party.
Why you worry
when people see me with you? Why you the boy?
Okay.
That I posted a picture we took. If the love we share is real,
I don't even post to me.
would you ever pray for me phone show? Why you the one? When people see me with you.
Come on.
Why you the boy?
Okay.
That I posted a picture we took. If the love we share is real,
I don't even post to me.
and from into
What the matter time is made over there.
post me on Twitter,
Post to me.
post me on Facebook,
Now you know say with the blog babe post babe.
post me on WhatsApp.
Every blocky babe, a posty babe. And it is not damn me, I say no. So about double matcha, and so blocky back no posty back home. Echina da e back on the papa no. No block the other one, no posty back home. So we block babe to post babe. Now happy entertainment light and sound system penny for say. Shall we bomb the sit town say see I'm no say. Valze the and run and Crawford started with pre-Valentine Day and Crawford charging rapper. Now and then you may have a piece so woke up Miami baby they don't set up or Koswa a coffee you. The machines here and now don't you know better what sounds more don't you so yeah but and fish speakers papa moi and you know unya vibe no DJ vibe best here real vibe unya vibe no as I said to me nya vibe ni so at the now the vibe is a desire sound system light system canopy in Congo announce stage in our pair. Mama the answer would when you happy entertainment light and sound system for sure. Abshatio, so would when it cheer up man feet a capim ever flow suno, baby homogeno and chemupe from 0275 042594 0275 042594 and at 0540 790012. Happy entertainment light and sound system. Also, Bema Jumedi no Ayekiko. Na Okoman 97.1 radio. See, I meant to have the phone. I said, Jumedi be a woody be a safata, said Jumedi no. Obama born who devro. And Pembe Jeja, whom I near my fire, see beam. And it's in a somebody may come for Command Yama Sampa. Adia be a Tony Jumedi be a woody piano. Mama dear Chubang. Near man who devro mount. Abo Sampa. Atofua Tuaguso. Asem Prime and Prime. Friday was 0246 435 and at 0266 200222 and at 0265 200222. Woka Okoman Radio 97.1 yetie yehe ene kasama okuyapaman na ejapaya construction and general merchant penny for seminchiao na me kan jo sampa Valze na mfasika ni nyina nkotwa wanum esa wo dwen wo dan na wusi no na uko si aya edan enyum ya bada boy didi mi botom na mi nidi wo maje so abonte me dase And you did the bottom, na me need mo. Ah, say. Na abane sanity, and the boys beje, gas and sobanum. Boys benum adri. Na oma bomadia kofia ko shede ma fe omani mu hancho. Ubozabe 100 pesos mu na okan sika na mi ampa na aka 100 cedis. Mi ampa na aka 50. Enti da bushia eya no ma me atwe ye dan no ho kakra. Enti sambre dia Japan say wa ma dan sia memre dia ma obi biara. Say quarry blocks ana sand blocks. Eba hollow blocks ana say me no kase stone. Me kire abo open wo tipem. And as I open rhino mukotokum, and as I open wo head palm, whoop wo shovel so cry beton. A japaye ewo de ekapem. Na wasanso wo binding wires, iron rods. Ye kumi crown say, Emri biara befre japaye biano. Delivery no on time. Afe wasanso etonton cement. Ahudu nyina. Eti cement no emfa ho ba bia wo de ko obeto ba akokra de beto ka mu akogya wo umpe we na apede ejapa ye construction and general merchant e wo de we kwapin wo ba bia Sambre the filling station wo no wo sanso wo live band adwumade bia Sambre woody bia wo hia live band no wo from mo beje wo so e wo 0244719814 0244719814 ejapa ye construction and general merchant na o se obema adwumade ni nyina I simple. So at here. Ain't YB electrical simpeni for sampa. And pembe electrical gadgets. Everyone got Tony board na light off we. Boza jinsem. Nefe yesika beshe. Eya ne osesu. Eya osesere. Eno mbeho animalis kalia. Asesu asesere. As a no. As a ubesu kakre. As a besri kakre. I didn't say. The boy I sent me a told me one time. The war a program you call MC Pa. My sorry pa. Maybe to my tare me iron said Jimmy. Oh, iron Jimmy iron iron so all right and so iron no. Oh, and one of me born my dear Mika. I know Pantam na. And I'm recording YB electricals. And you feature sa many bam how you na she. Eti me catch us ampa. Say electrical gadget be say yeah blender. Ana say hair dryer. Me no kasa impo. Ebi ana machine ya de mixi esami. Wakoto bi na wo dwen kwa be fa so a ye be bo modern afixe. Bo modern afa be da YB electricals. O me fixe ne kama di amount. Afi eburo ni e de yam eburo yi lika yi. Bo modern be den omo be fixe ne simple cra di amount. Abusia wo Abuasa market. Na unimu say edansie. The most important thing e wo edansie ho Sambre wiring no. Wanya electrician papa. Amina nya wiring papa di amawa obre ebeye kwa. Ehumani bi ko kambo mu pe ni awasiasi woni nyina ka wabo ni nyina overnight. Anything na Sambre YB electrical se penny for so we dey about wiring nyina fa be domo. Eba installation omo be ni nyina kama di amount from 0242 762027 and 0241 074178 and 0247 703908. Woka YB electricals I say bomodi atwu ben no na electrical gadgets dey wuni how cry. Okay 11 after 4. Higher height will turn penny for semi chiao. Na me catch us and Pachoco Vals pool party in Airbasso. Rating a 30 Ghana city single. FA double near 50 Ghana city. Dating in 19th and 20th February. Saturday way. Any question that? Enti bomodian for show team. Say ampa. Vals no. Nimpompon so nankasa ye on the 19th and 20th. Enti bomodian na wo dey fix with date in the show. Na jumedi ebekoso wo higher height hotel ebi ni swimming competition, afi eating competition, barbecue bekoso sanso na ensa de ahodo bebre afi kai se DJ se bejina paso aba onyom DJ Livy P, DJ Gazi, DJ King K, and a DJ Vision. MC New Nana Kwame Mpere. Wait to be from the finest. And remember, you know, I catch you in a man. Men are member of the MC for the day. What you say? You might never shall say 1 p.m. sharp. Nakayo set on the 19th and on the 20th February. All road leads to higher height hotel Latte Junction. Chocovar pool party no air basso. The idea is being powered by a Green 88.5 at a higher height hotel, Acro Live, Soundwave, Okoman 97.1 radio, and a bomber the power Jumedi. I'm Jenny and Mayor Nebeya Pinsu. For ticketing and reservation, and answer episode to ticket in advance. 0243 647 418 0243 647 418 and 0244 492408 0244 492408. Woka higher height hotel la. Aso with your bomadi chubeno. Na Thursday, Monday no Stronko on the 19th and on the 20th. Achi rough. Okay. Abushami koji abua from Kratoba. Na me koji Kratone ba radio isu be yeshimro so. Niaka wachi ne doso. I'll be right back after this short commercial break.
Chawajo, Uncle Fuet, Yamo, Nima, the best between you and Oma Ketchama, me say.
Cratchy, Ada, we your whole wood, a crapima, what tea and Japaya construction and general merchant in Ghana, a backquery block 5 inches and another 6 inches, a basan block 5 inches and another 6 inches, Sana hollow block 5 inches and another 6 inches, T. So whoop a boar at the sidine, so whoop a near at the sidine, so whoop ensure at the core side, another binding wires, about building materials, what to mean a Japaya construction and general merchant won't that. Say, Omo and a more discount. I will adhere over to be our master. Cement to Cradia and Coho. What of cement? No, and answer me and Sakura. Yet the Bako job free delivery. Uber to me a fair at Japaya. I was 0244 719814 0244 719814. About iron rods. Abo whoop and me. I will rhino mu and not tipemu. About curry. Now whoop I will track mu and answer tipemu. Nina, ya supply in Abbey. Open stone. I will kill mu. Nina, ya the bebro. At Japaya, I will tell a grapem. Wabendel filling station no ubetimi from and was 0244 719814 0244 719814 Kayo sawo ya party engagement aye anase de biara wo ye bia wo nya live band e Japaye san wo live band na omo be hu nyom amo feel te e Japaye live band na ubeti ne de yie abushia ubetimi afre and was 0244 719814 e Japaye ana
adansi 4 ne contractor for Adam for
money. Happy people, yeah. Honey, and ready my basa power. Just a wedding I can answer pet baby. Who friends and your dream for just MC Cranston basa, bino catch up. I'm my basa, me munium.
Middle Kawakuma to yem, meaning happy entertainment, light and sound system. Need you live pub and restaurant at Dinkomodada. Wedding, funeral, float, and answer parties are Hudwa. Omutimishi shade mediation Kumane Yakono, a bass sound system, lighting, canopy, in Komwa any tables are over the Josopo.
Just say, one of them will be a very imagine FFS.
One Abba stage crowd ya Wabema stage Shunku, and one happy entertainment, light and sound system. You like pub and restaurants, so why a crowd say, in Yanni Papa and in Sa Papa, whatever wow at the amount, one fear crapim, Omo Bay Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy entertainment, light and sound system. And you like pub and restaurant, Omobama wedding, no, I kiko. Has any other command and your was
oh, I want my many happy people, yeah. When peace like a river.
Wani, me we abusumi anani o. Esese me san kwa adwuma. Na mom school papa be so me be mama me. Ne metumi akoye adwuma asumdwe mu e na me dwen hu ye o.
Me do, ada wonti Peace Montessori in Ghana. Omoji nkwala 54 man, crèche, KG, primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori, our accessible location. Wasanso wa world secure compound. Asanso wa school bus asambre baby abofano wo bia wo ba befano ede na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition any care there. Wuntimi omo wadamu befua.
Peace Montessori. Enye won wo hostel junction hostel echi ho no. Eho de ni amate kra ne se. Wahwe mufra ye na teacher ba ko fa mufra 12 mekire mufra dumiempe.
Sa pepepe Peace Montessori ewo ekropon ekwapem. So wo pese wo ne omo kasa ewo ahomatro fo so a. Ananse wogi nchemu bia frɛ number si 05058292661 and 020017766 and 0279267 Peace Montessori ana.
Wadomo fra keke.
Peace Montessori ana.
One teacher, 12 students.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Akwaaba, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Akwaaba, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Keeping me now in for one way. Mama Jaya Basano. Send your water was a family tremor, and I'm crazy. We show any money when you go see I am some crazy. Baby, hold on, not to trim me off me. Me and Toma can make us such a trim me down.
We are blazing.
I'm walking my papa. Mama, where was sending you? I don't know till we're about. Me, I dog carpenter. Mama, walking my papa. Mama, where was sending you? I don't know till we're about. Yes, it's so we get something in common, pepe. Why am I missing one year? Never be away, no. Although to me, mommy, three Sabalu. I had no crowd on the way to I can't deny the fact that I fall in my angel. Come here, dog carpenter. Mama, Wakuma, Pakumja. Mama, where was sending you? I don't know till we're about. Me, our dog carpenter. Mama, Wakuma, Pakumja. Mama, where was sending you? I don't know till we're about. Me feel it, the lady inside you. Missing my own ear, I fake it. Don't you go anywhere? We are blazing. Is it your identity and that you know I go? Oh, damn me, what my winter, I'm in doing what go me there. More than I say, oh, to one out, Chimania. They are woman number one, no doubt about it. Every summer, I change, it's been long since I felt true love. I can't deny the fact that I'm falling. We are blazing. I'm a Wakuma Bakumja. I'm on my way with Senia. They don't know till we're about. Me, our dog carpenter. I'm a Wakuma Bakumja. I'm on my way with Senia. They don't know till we're about. Nanka me, our dog carpenter. I'm a Wakuma Bakumja.
Okoman Radio.
I'm on my way with Senia. They don't know till we're about. We are a dog carpenter. I'm a Wakuma Bakumja. I'm on my way with Senia.
We are blazing.
Fanta yellow. Oh, shawty, I'm an angel. And I can see your halo.
It's this way, man, Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I've been looking for you my whole life. Girl, I've been searching for you. My muscatella, Mirinda, baby. Only you make my heart go boom, boom, jay. My muscatella, Mirinda, baby. Only you make my heart go. Only you make my heart go boom, boom,
we are blazing.
Cinderella, eh. Cinderella, have you seen my Cinderella? Looking for my Cinderella. Cinderella, eh. Cinderella, have you seen my Cinderella? Eh, Cinderella, eh. Ella, Ella.
Radio 97.1.
Cinderella, Ella, Ella, Go to me, Fantadialo. See, I've been searching for you. Yeah, I've been waiting for you. See, I don't craze for your love. Now who there with you right now? Girl, I just wonder. Oh, my lover. Oh, my lover. When shall I see my lover? When shall I see my lover? I will never forget my baby. I'm looking for my Cinderella. Cinderella, Cinderella, have you seen my Cinderella? Looking for my Cinderella. Cinderella, Cinderella, have you seen my Cinderella? I wanna be your soldier. You got my attention, I dey focus on you. No rush, I dey. Me I want day, my day. Baby, give me love and we go bust my brain. For me, holy water, we go touch my vein. You're my sweet, sweet Fantadialo. I've been searching for you my whole life.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Fantadialo. Waiting for you my whole life. I'm looking for my Cinderella. Cinderella, Cinderella, have you seen my Cinderella? Looking for my Cinderella.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
A.K.A Sumami song. In lobby care came me back home. A.K.A Sumama Koboko Don.
Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Ever since she came out, I never felt this way before.
And the next 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
See, baby, I can hold you. I keep your heart, girl. I never let you go. Come on, oh, bye, baby, yeah. Oh, bye, baby, oh. I never think that I could fall in love like this again. Oh, bye, baby, yeah. Oh, bye, baby, oh. Hey, baby, oh.
What else? I'm gonna be pumping it. I can see my shorty from the driveway. Up at me pedal, so what can I say? Anything to do with you and our way. How many times for the kiss all day? When I jam in the foot like a shize. Me when I me put the do a baby. Or coming home from nothing up to the payday. Could they do the JJ? See, girl me I want drop kiss. Can you give it to me like this? Yeah, for shopping I forget the prices. So we tell me how could me than the ISIS. No matter what come again, and also be a crisis. But we feel it want to do the right thing. Make a put the ring on and I'm forget big cars, more money, come sugar my thing. Listen to the song I sing, but they be pumping.
Oh, bye, baby, oh. I never think that I could fall in love like this again. Oh, bye, baby, yeah. Oh, bye, baby, oh. Hey, baby, oh.
Yeah, oh, good body, sweet face.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I don't wanna hold down, don't be prepaid. You didn't deserve all the Gucci and about me. Yeah, me gonna be post, so chow me. Who don't know my me put to say Shaolin. And then my bomb me violin. Shorty really like my thing. Or say me you exciting. Joy your body be enticing. Taking them what they done, I'm be icing. If I was sitting in my man, I'm in your supervising. You feel it when you wanna do the right thing. Make I put a ring on and I'm forget the striking. Big cars, more money, come sugar my thing. Listen to the song I sing.
And the next 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
I never think that I could fall in love like this again. Oh, bye, baby, yeah. Oh, bye, baby, oh.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Somebody call the popo. Me winning lotto. Say me I don't know. Me yana, me yani don't know. Call the popo. Me winning lotto. Say me I don't know. Me yana, me yani don't know. Baby you be miracle. You give me loving way I never know. My baby you be wonderful. You give me loving way I never know. My baby you be miracle. You give me loving way I never know. Baby you be wonderful. You give me loving
blazing.
Girl, your love is spiritual. Oh my God, oh, girl, your love, baby. Oh my God,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
girl, your love, baby. I want to shower you with kisses to lead over you. And when you give me a chance to love you, I will overdo. We'll be the ex, you'll be the girlfriend.
Pesa me kase mimi fia okuba e fu judge yourself. Okuma benso ni na the power.
Watch me spend. We'll be the ex, you'll be the girlfriend. Girl, I wanna be your boyfriend. Can we go spend this weekend? Take a choice and watch me spend. Hey, intimate. I love you more than the heck of my ex, bro.
Yeah, so what a children that we can pay me bonus here. Now you come on radio and when young, a Kenyan, Sam Kuranyang, you, ain't Eddie Kango, when I'm so.
Abrama Maneka said, Mom's joint tobacco, a man for a kufu, Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my radio.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Saliti Abdullahi, Mofo Frem Yaro, Munti Okoman Radio da.
We are blazing.
She is the queen of my heart, so nobody disregard. And she a beat them back too. Bring the alarm, sound the alarm. Tell everybody, make them know I'm one. This is God's plan. Me and my girl, she my lucky charm, and she keep me so calm. Oh my God, girl, your love is spiritual.
Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio. You are the best, number one. A.K.A Mountain, so Chedi come for. Then she am one, and Kevin. We are fantastic.
Baby, your money don't impress me.
Abrama Maneka say, Mom's joint tobacco, a man for a kufu, Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my bank and you, Kenya cry, must say that we are. No one broke cry, no for you and a jewel. There should be a team. Only size what's
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Abrama Maneka say, Mom's joint tobacco, a man for a kufu, Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my bank and you, Kenya cry, must say that we are. You know, one broke cry, no for you and a jewel. There should be a team. Only size
Okoman Radio.
Nana Jua Ekropon, the BMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, the Jim A.K.A mine. The BMT 97.1. Okoman.
Show me something better. I don't want your money. I just want your loving. Oh, I want. If I show me something where I don't see before.
Nana Jua Ekropon, the BMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, the Jim A.K.A mine. The BMT 97.1. Okoman.
Okoman Radio.
I don't want your money. I just want your loving. Oh, I want. Show me something.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Within the A.K.A Castro, no Mandela Market. A one me watching Castro back up no size. Okoman for my jade papa. Me feel them. Okoman for my monkey be woo. Oh, Okoman for my jenny na muone yo. Ya mama juma pa. And then the farm of the abo man you. Yes, you could am sing tree.
Yasin your mukutapa. We are Usani and the boy I heavy. Not Missuma heavy. Nani ya mamichi ajadu bibi aboko de na me mama de anda Mama Castro yenjia wa wi abre ye ma happy Valentine Day abra mama ase momra All right, Samri, Emerald Society, I did the latest in the world of sports, bro. Once again, Festival, Sachi Bakope, champion taxi driver, Bibi Aboko, there. Now, for me, Mama, in Chechi, I'm more moody, me. At the pump for now, Samri, I mean, because I'm more man for. That would only moment in the boy. Only moment in the I'm more crying, so baby. Baby, I don't need a baby.
Martin One, Madame Crofa, Emmanuel, and Naomi, and Caro.
Guess and good down. Okay.
And I'm Shiano, I am Romo, Jagamu area.
Jagamu, okay, all right.
Sure, now call John Peter Moore.
Right.
Baby, Braya. And go Kuno who are Gary Hui.
That's it. Jawa. Missy can send me a new pet. Why can't I be you? And I call me and say, oh, okay, and then anyone says that. As an idea, I'll call you about, you know. Same. All right, come in my car, I'll be able to
Phynest.
Make us on Kabakuno Akatare.
Already.
Hey.
I know if I know answer.
Well, no, also you're Kwame Mpere A.K.A. Kwaku Pepra.
We are not going to go 2 weeks into the
one. I'm not going to go.
Oh, yeah. I see Ubudi and Zana Yafawala.
I'm so microphone.
When I was your man in A.K.A. I don't pay Jenna Bizarre say, a man of Quanesen, was you, Uno Baby any. Skirmishes.
I missing no baby and say, why not mention at the end of the mean to be at the mamma pay? Mo, a man in A.K.A. was on job baby as your mamma pay. A man job, some money, a man who's from our children, on Pomwasam. I
say, or chat, or the man, ever so.
I saw the kind of mammy.
Oh, okay. A.K.A. fast pass to the mammy uncle.
All right, Phynest. And I was the edition.
Oh, wait, I have the freestyle. Yes, sorry, I said, and then I never say,
yes, you have but you better say the field at the Ghana Premier League. When say weekend matches in the 8 to me course, I say. Eyasin Kumana fixtures no yes I know den but the results na bounce na surprises kakra enso na wo mu
yes Muntari born homodin
yes Muntari to me about 76 minutes
right
and my heart to focus about 76 minutes and my heart to focus but results in the Bekum Chelsea etna fie ni Bechem United ebo 1-1 Asante Kotoko etna Kumasi Accra Lions eshom 3-1 Abranti and Frank Thierry Mbella ono from Cameroon about hat-trick 3 goals ni nyina ese Edema Kotoko team na as gold and certain Obuasi any be any goal stars etumi elbow 2-2 Great Olympics and such Elmina Sharks Miami team elbow Mekawako Oma etumi anti West African Football Academy Wafa etna fie we na shocking results Karela ekobo ne Kabako ono so went to me anti Mediama and so any Dreams FC ene and the two Jana Kenra and some born and so
yes match and
yes and upon 9 AM no boy I said Dreams FC eko share Mediama Takwa 1-0 and so Ariana Stars I share 11 wonders 3-0 a brand here born Mr. CNN Bright J and a ball goes to me and sa Edema Ariana Stars Real Tamale United out to you and so to me to finish had to folk to be the boy the game no corner no I said 0-0 and a match and also etimi akwowie ewo ho league table ni say na tie koroko edin kan 36 points Bechem United etoso mienu 30 points Olympics etoso miensa 28 Ariana Stars etoso 9 27 Ken Faisal etoso enum 26 Mediama etoso nsia 26 Carolina United etoso enso and 7th position 25 points Heart of Folk etoso enwochi 8th position 24 points Dreams FC 9th position Ekura 23 points. Bekum Chelsea at also 10th position out 22. And Ashgold at also 11th position out 22. Lagos Cities at also 12th position and they are on Kimfaisa Elbow was second Kimfaisa and Kabakun to maintain all 21 points. Real Tamale United out 13th position now. And also Ekura 20 points. And I feel so BBN Gold Stars at also 14th out 20 points. Accra Lions at also 15th out 19 points. Wafa Afinia Mankoye that was 16th position Ekra 18 points now feels so 11 wonders that was 17th position also Ekra 16 points now feels so Elmina Sharks That also 18 position. No worry. And so Elmina Sharks. Papa Kwesi do the team. Elmina Sharks are. No worry. I just say Niaman said I koye. And from Elmina Sharks are you born pa say Niaman so no. Ebetima koso 13. Ediama Sharks team now. And also no. We should be a Sharks down. 18 position. I was just 11 points. And so top scorer chart in the finest. Abranta in Frank and Mela Thierry. Cameroon your ball Anama Kotokono in 10 matches was 11 goals. And so
10 matches 11 goals.
Yes, about 10 matches.
Good.
Well, I had there in Jonkonu Krum Koboma Cameroon. Brighter J, our Diana Stars was 9 goals. David Abagna RTU on the 8 goals nothing so Omar Basiru and so Caroline United are also
Ishaku and Onigo.
Oh, Isaku Ko. Okay. Tono.
Hey!
I didn't use that Cameroon banner.
Hey!
Oh, yeah, I told Isaku.
Hey, Ghana.
Isaku Ko Portugal. Okobo de Ama Sporting Lisbon. It's any news on no.
Oh, really?
Isaku, yes, Isaku.
A good team.
Lisbon under 23. I don't know what Lisbon under 23. Say no next month will be 18 years.
Okay.
It's no kwa coaching to 18.
Oh, sir.
Oh yeah. So goalkeeper will fear Division 4.
18 the
Oh, okay. But news say pa onu say anka yenya news say Otoado na head coach. And Chris Hutton say technical advisor. Ministry of the Ministry of Sports. Yes, information. But I have information about Ministry of Sports. And I bet you just say Saji na na F na omutu ya no. Ministry also munim wo hwe. Also munim wo hwe. Otoado na na head coach, amode Chris Hutton na technical advisor no. Ministry of Youth and Sports. Esa nya de omunimu bibia ntino pay for san komra biem ko no ma betu aka no nti omo hwe na mututu ni ama ha ene ne sama baba ministry no Chelsea memeda make history our FIFA Club World Cup finals what you see na me chire mu dia na je say oba wi afasa nya on say your club football your ball it you yourself na nyina no
Chelsea
oh the boy foul news bra
entino we yourself na nyina no your ball club football op club oni ball na wa ya ade 2021 2022 dia that's Chelsea
okay
I'm call boy I'm the people crying the Palmeiras from Brazil and a ball grand finale na Chelsea winning by 2-1 Chelsea winning by 2-1 and so now third no Ali of Egypt I'm talking so third yes okay Ali Ali yes I'm players no at so third I'm bronze medal and so in the finest and then some about you queen my minchia udu o branch or council say
okay
o branch ya pe unsani fa so as sports view o unsani fa o branch ya unsani fa so sports view o biem pa ya fa say Slim something Krana Mayi.
Slim Soja na.
We say hi the finest.
Slim Soja. I do not call him. Slim Soja. Oma biom pa.
Erante mi.
Oma biom. Ana Loretta so Loretta wa manfu kwen ya so.
Okay.
Loretta.
We say hi the finest. Special birthday to my sweetheart and lovely wife, Mrs. AJ from Okuga, from his best husband alive. Multimedia.
Alive multimedia.
Okay. You know. Say also Bushia Slim Soja Yechia and back on account no say friends say.
Loretta.
Okay.
Loretta.
Eti happy happy birthday Okoman Anthony Jiabo and Wawoda. Na fe mi mama dia enchia obapa cuisine
happy me ko watch papa this year into no me ko obapa hwe mani me ba
this year me
ko chia obapa me ko ba na fisher pie into no me ko but finest first day me fa akwanya o so na me wo se
but you me invite money me share o serious corner mo bra
ho into no mami chia ma bia sanso na erekia yes your friend agi and I feel so mama benewa me wish you happy birthday pa obodam akoma so papa mo me ensa nyina obodam akoma so pa it's me wish you happy birthday
obo pay your ha and I join the business dey be kwasan anopa kwame anopo
na
papa si anka no kure
Why can't
purpose one kind of
na wo floor na me say me mama me twins the twin sister Margaret Adobia Ekufu Margaret Adobia Ekufu ono wa denta me so happy birthday mommy woni me say me do me pe wa say me do papa
and now I improve no woman no o she corner ni more frame ni event ni awon ne bon komo no
jaga mo hono mi
jaga no
uze si ano
e joint bia no
I said that phone na me be tron phone oh fa obisa na di first na me ye
edi jaga omo to aduane wo side ho nyina ye cheche omo
ayana mama
e joint bia wo ufi open na ko ejedu ho
o she jaga mo fie ho no
in between jaga no
banku ni ade politank no pe manglo
ana ahumachin na me de na to me so me avec
say
na de was no just for the only feelings say me hu amani o also for only feelings
na the boy we su fi
finance mame ko me ko dey ye mo bi ucha yera ya ye ni yera no yesu empebi
o de mana no nsi mesio
ucha me yere Madam Victoria
ucha yere wa bra wa
sedega mama mwazi na ekopeja
hey
mama bibi osi office andem osi ye man na nije papa sister kokko gram bi osi e ba ye man na nije na onzo unity hono
unity okay baby I'm talk tilapia ni okay we blue station one right
me man nyina Mavis Hana original ba ko what I hear no fun me brace
only
original no and Sylvia
so for go show bi no fu say
say me hwe ma hwe me tumi preach ba bro hwe ma say na preach
etu nya we preach one wana
David Kwame David Solomon Solomon mama o ja say ya Solomon mama David man Solomon mama Solomon papa Solomon near David Kuno and Sokofa. Uria. Solomon David Kofa Uria and Yere. Now Oko say Abrosanso and Sana oh mameno. It's one show there's a difference between looking and seeing. Mimi yani na.
Finest.
You look
at serious issue that the boy
everybody can see, but we take time to look at things. Because I'm going to see TV. If I'm going to watch. Everybody can see, but we take time to look at things. It's as if you see the traffic light.
There is something you should know.
Yes. And Sana. Hey, now when you see us, say, I need you to buy. Yeah, buy a mock up money. I need you.
Yeah.
It's no big to do a paper show. I don't know. You'll be on say, or my high or Facebook. Facebook near Casa.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Facebook near Casa. That's my high or Facebook. What just here? Yeah, me done me do dodo was say. Me bo Okoman na ohina kasa grab e chia me.
Wow.
Me na catch up. For play the go by this time. I'm on for good.
Mani ama o share ne dey nye.
Me da say Kwame na wa no go so a o ka bibi. O say
oh say wa share wi enti ma. Ayi mami we say Ella so happy birthday.
And then no kasa no me the man watch.
Ruby Asechibia, Ruby Akuya Asechibia. Yeah, what me ya we say atono. Aha, Ruby Akuya Asechibia. Enti no, ono so na no.
Na they don't see
as don't so so hu me niam me born the fry ba.
Me na ma sponsor nko. Abusia 46 after 4. And na a birthday special. On Okoman 97.1. Once again, you're from Kwame Mpere A.K.A. Ubeti me from The Phynest. And remember, you know, catch you me. A taxi driver, truck driver, who tie me. And then you remember what Konya pa. Now, when love it. And then Nakasa. And in your person wishing a happy birthday, you know. And then Memo Konya now, so I will show BBR with the full special one. Now, I love it. What do you say? Ain't you love it? What's a happy birthday? Love it. Okoman here. That's right. Once again, up for watch him in your cry, yeah, mama no. Birthday, you know. It's me shall say, and I shall say, studio more. I know damn ya. And the FA, the boy. It's a minute so yet 5 o'clock. Pepe, my yes idea. What's they?
Okay, you ever can you?
All the pictures are they take.
Before trying to paint my love for you.
Don't you hear what they say?
I go love you, make me shame the devil.
Ow.
Why you for hold me like your own, now and forever.
Auntie Edina will captain Rural Bank. When the managers are winning Auntie Lizzie. Any of my four some remove captain Rural Bank Michiamo. Some of whom dear. Moya money affair. After some radio. Wobamadia Copiemo, I do chrome taxi ranker. A skido.
Skido bari back a friend atakra.
Okay. Away.
Oh, them there. Only papa na ye adwuma no. What son papa na ono so one adwuma no e ko na.
Okay, it is skido atakra. Yes, and the bad. It is skido.
I'm chatting no driver.
Skido ka se mi na
aden.
I say one of the MC for one me coffee na. I say Bema, I don't my driver in this car. And I'm saying, I say, I didn't know so many car. I'm just going to say, Yamika.
But I'm in fact, drive for no more idea. But we are dear Koy.
Oh, yeah.
General Smami, baby. No, the question. Oh, come on for. Oh, I don't know any idea to do.
But to God be the glory. We appreciate everyone. Yeah, appreciate you. Also,
appreciate.
We appreciate everyone. We appreciate everyone.
Yeah. I could say, friend, go for you. Say,
go for you. I don't know you so cool like 13.
Papa, yeah.
And I yenchia Samre go for you, auntie. Just say Jackie Joe. Our safari.
Omuja Latte Junction no.
Omunyina Latte Junction. Mama call Latte ewo manfe. Yona wo manfe. Lefe manpon. Yenchi adoso taxi for mama wo motor for no kra biem. That I say. That's right. That's right. Yenchi amunyina. Eti taxi ranks nyina wo eye Ghana. Koforidua. Taxi rank wo ejoso. Near what baby go for you.
Burkina ni station master.
I was a blue station. Okay. All right, 49 after 4. Enjoy good music. I'll be right back.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
All the pictures are they take before trying to paint my love for you. Don't you hear what them they say? I go love you, make me shame the devil. Why you for hold me like your own, now and forever.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nanajua Ekropon, Debbie Mitie Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, Eju Ekwapi mine. Debbie 97.1. Okoman.
This cute chick, she drives me
Abrama Maneka say, Mondus Joint Bakope, a man for a kufu, Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from our bank, Kenya Kra, must say that no have cry, no poor you and a true. There should be a only size one.
Okoman Radio 97.1. When get the sports so many love, Pendo and New York. Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio, you are the best, number one. PROMOTIONAL, so change it down for Enjiamwa and A.K.A We are fantastic.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon frère Yaro, Munti Okoman Radio da Ledas.
Okoman A.K.A that you are Okoman moya dinia Okoman the Kwaju Okoman A.K.A Kusiniti Okoman you are Okoman
97.1.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon frère Yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da Vedas.
Let's know that you are the one.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I know for sure that girl will have fun on this ride. Girl, I'll hold you tight, treat you right.
Take you high,
be your knight in shining amor. This I promise you. Girl, I'll hold you tight, treat you right. Take you high, be your knight in shining amor. This I promise you.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Fly with me, my baby. Fly with me. Mami trim boom, boom, boom. Maya zim boom, boom, boom. Me deep boom, boom, boom. Hey, you make me fly, fly, fly. I'm to the sky, sky, sky.
Okoman Radio.
So take me high. Hey, you're too far. I'm flying without wings because of you. You're too far. I'm flying without wings because of you.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mamembo wa power. Odo ye wuka me ho ana me se o mama. Me ya Adam no do ye me hawa. Abusuanya ho boa ye nkoto kawa.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Baby ni ana me dwen se wa. Me wa japade a jeme de chewa.
Okoman A.K.A That you grab me ba. Okunu mu ya dini hu Okoman. Okoman be ko ajiu. Okoman A.K.A Kusini Okoman. Okoman
Benene na mantime mane
ya. Ografi mai. Mwa this year Abilokos Captain retired back. Na naje nya mrebe brother this year. Okoman Radio they have come to stay. Oma Jim mantem nyina abo so Paula mantem. As radio almost significant for cry. For radio to Okoman Radio. Netie ene pane ekoni eko. Ati asie.
Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio, you are the best, number one. Apora Mountain, so change come for. Yenshia moi, A.K.A De Bruta, we are fantastic.
Abraham and A.K.A Mom's joint back up. I'm out for a kufuru. Okoman Radio, oh, we are champion. Okoman from my bank and you can you cry? Must say the Pia. You don't have rock cry, no poor, you are not true. That's who be a little size.
Yeah, so what to tell that we can pay me for no ya. Now you Okoman Radio and when young Kenyan say Okoman you A.K.A De Phynest when I'm from when I'm so
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say Opleke say Jan Edu and some Poloman a friend yo, radio back up pedo pese utia. Intimi to baby a for Okoman FM 97.1. Ah, uni size.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Abrama Maneka say, Mom's joint back up it. A man for a kufu Okoman Radio. Oh, we a champion. Okoman from my man can you? Kenya cry, must say that ya. Minimum hard rock cry, no poor you and a jewel. There should be a materials. When it's size what?
Yeah, so what a children that where we are paying me pound. Hey, Okoman Radio, and when young, a Kenyan, Sam Kurang, you, A.K.A De Phynest, Berman Fum, when I'm so.
Abrama Maneka say, Mom's joint back up it. A man for a kufu Okoman Radio. Oh, we a champion. Okoman from my man can you? Kenya cry, must say that ya. Minimum hard rock cry, no poor you and a jewel. There should be a materials. When it's size what?
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Within Sabiti Abdullahi, more for Frame Yaro, Munti Okoman Radio, Bedasi.
Okay, up in mind, one with this shit, I've been locals, Captain retired, back up here. Nana Jenya Rebel Brody shit. Okoman Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, Manton when you now was, all I want that's where they almost singing without for cry. For radio, they took Okoman Radio, Netty and the Pania Konyeko, at
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, a Jim A.K.A mine. DBMT 97.1. Okoman.
One be divine fine. Every woman is a superwoman. Every woman is a champion. We know be nobody. If them know they our body. Yeah. Hi. Mama ya ya ya. Mama ya ya ya. NCO. NCO. Yeah. Mama ga ga ga. Mama ga ga ga. NCO. NCO.
Okoman Radio.
Yeah. Really would do it. Really would do it. See them, everlasting.
Okoman Radio.
Really would do it. Really would do it. Everlasting. We don't do chaka chaka, baby. Do soko soko, baby. We no go hear nobody.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
November, leaving up in a Bermuda. Other miss so I give me sugar. Hey, mama ya ya ya, mama ya ya ya.
Okoman Radio.
Hey,
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, a Jim A.K.A mine. DBMT 97.1. Okoman.
Abrama Maneka say, Mom's joint back up it. A man for a kufu Okoman Radio. Oh, we a champion. Okoman from my man can you? Kenya cry, must say that ya. No bad rock cry, no poor you and a two. There should be a materials. Only size what?
Okay, up in mind, one with this shit, I've been locals, Captain retired, back up here. Nana Jenya Rebel Brody shit. Okoman Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, Manton when you now was, so all I want them. That's why they're almost singing the gun for cry. For radio, they took Okoman Radio. Netty and the Pania Konyeko. What I say?
Oh, baby, I
They look you like I never see. Hello guys, it's your girl Ayona Renee. You're listening to Okoman Radio 97.1.
Wama mesia fem be hwehwe ne owo ni awoto wo osu aburo bo me de betu nanim.
You are my queen of Shiba. Shiba, they make me shiver. Shiba, baby I love you. Baby I love you.
Okoman A.K.A De Phynest. Okoman muya dinia hu Okoman do kuma jiwo. Okoman A.K.A De Phynest. Ibu akwa na
Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Yes. Always a few. Alewa. Na ehano na maintain your can na metis or sisi jam nasa Adre si jam nasa wasa efe Once again, it's your 7th anniversary. Honorable Dr. A.C. Labi. At the same, Mami Mama the Engia, incoming chairman, incoming MPP chairman, okay. Alessa Kodia Sax Sabibi Abakodia now Minchia the hard working DCE Honorable Daniel Kenneth Sir Ahwadin Woho. Oh fine Afemichia Okoman Brothers Association Chief Buadu Afe Nanani Fahine Nana don't take it. I'm not taking it. Michechi Amunina. Some of you dear. Just in you. To for you in you. Some of you. Once again, you're from an Kwame Mpere A.K.A from the finals. The man you know catch you in me. Mami Mama the Enchia Obi Biara Wuti Kasafidi. Maybe more Kwenya pa. Na wabomodia echia wodofobia enne wo face one way or the other why bibi e dey aboa akwani asa baby dey show enti I don't know who is that special person. Professor Kachene say happy Val's Day kasia pan command afi wabomodia kire me nwoma mebo e dey pay so e dey amount enti who is that special person and now vai hwan who is that special person. Once again, media and common Mrs. Rachel Mpere. Yeah. That is my beautiful wife, Michiao. That be Abakodia. Nami Mama the Enchia, Madame Dina Somua. Yeah, me Valentine Bako Penny Minyanimpo. Ave Yankoma, Obi Biara. Yeah. Enti Josephine, what do you mean? We send him Nemo Ayo boy. Yenu about Josephine. Yeah man, happy Val's Day. Anyway, the numbers to call. Our Val's Day. special person I person catch any so happy Valentine Day kesi pa and come on no. That special person no me ma wakwenya wofra wo just 30 seconds. No why any tell no watch nyuma your mom family and say 5:30 pepe sorry so yeah. Me mama Akwaaba my baby afọ me mo di
Valentine Day.
Yeah, hey, and hey, we spacey.
Yeah.
Hey, out show. And as any spacey as I'm so me ya question me.
Who's the man? Who's the makoto chedi bio?
What got me chedi?
I go free or security.
All right. 80 numbers no 0551667755. After for na shall say about. It you know ubetimi akọ Facebook live and so woke up Facebook live and so abetimi akriche go. Imagine Brandon Makama. Me for me first call. I first and I got the V.
That's your family, Hannah.
Hannah, me pacho Bibi Abako there now for me.
Because it's a couple.
A couple na Bibi Abako there. Right. Baba Diana woni nana Debbie woni the boy in Casa.
Hey, I don't know in Casa.
Sir, oba bi oba free and be ma be Casa. Me pacho bizan in the Valentine Day in there. Nyo the va.
Mama want to say. And you remember going for?
Pasha me ko pediatric lodge.
Now you ever say no who beside mama why?
Beside mama me ex.
Mentio.
Beside mama me ex.
Was it?
The ex.
And the ex be go share.
Ni oni na jai.
Your friend is saying but it did not the young no.
Okay. Eti anyo mani ya mama no.
Aye.
Ghana boy.
Hello.
Ghana boys are dangerous.
Ghana boys are dangerous.
Okay.
And when the show wahu. Yo, yati yebebo edi about. I mean for wahu man so 0551667755. There will be our 30 seconds into yama why any tap
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
No program. You, that's
right. Mami, obviously, Mami Kobe message you. I said, please, I request any cool love song to my sweetheart, Mrs. Mary Ansa. Okay. Tell her I love her so much. Hey, I love you. And then all right. Me pacho bet to be a friend who request any song. Eddie I'm a love one. And then why not person wishing happy Valentine kasi pa. Me pacho when you?
This is Salonio.
Na bibi abako there.
Ejana don boko.
Okay. Na salo me pacho when the boy in casa.
Salo who ye?
Nyame adom.
Na kasa friend fa. Okay. And one and now wishing happy birthday.
Me see man kasa me kunu.
Okay. And you man mama no?
Akwaboa.
Akwaboa.
Mpacho
yo that's the power.
Yeah.
Akwaboa no the amount salo. Monochrome 0551667755 0554. Mami fo bi wa odisha be ni.
Oh, odisha Kwame enim kwapon Salmon o.
Okay, Kwame enim kwapon Salmon. Me pacho ka se fi Salmon.
Me ka se fi Manfin.
Oh, okay. Ya cheofo mami why?
Architect no na.
Oh, me na bibi aboko there.
Nyame adumo na.
Right. Nyame adumo. Oni na no da me akasa na ne nkasa.
Hello, Ora.
Mama.
Pacho na ne hona ene o sweet vow ena nyom ben so na obisade amano.
Oh, me bi se nyom ma me yere me dofo ba ko pe ofen Evelyn Opoku Amponsa.
Evelyn Opoku Amponsa.
Yeah.
Okay, enyom bay.
Me bi se disa kwamna nyom. AI.
Adult music.
Adult music.
Factory. Right. Okay. Well, I say 0551667755. 81 your special vow. Person wishing a happy vows day. 0551667755. Audition be
Aye Bobo.
Aye Bobo go for the tro. Aha. Samre woni obapa nana odami ankasa. Odamia.
Aye boy.
Papa.
Na hwana na wishing a happy vows day. And I nyom ben so na we say the man.
The boy.
I say I wish the boy.
I didn't be Josephine. Could you?
I say the boy any niba Josephine could you.
Okay. Pacha na nyom ben. Enyom.
Pacha be don for that down. We don't forget that one balance.
Yo, okay. I'm over Cofodia to ye Josephine. So, when I say, I'm over, when I say, right. 0551667755 0551667755 over to you. What is your name?
Teresa ni.
Papa mi na kasa fi oyima.
Me kasa free dachi.
Dachi. Okuma ni.
Okwapuma ya no.
Me ba chode the boy in kasa.
Ma je me do for that aminiana.
Debi Teresa.
Teresa. Na wana biso bisa nyuma no.
Pacho, me bisa nyuma me do for back pe. My one and only boo. Inspector Mr. Albert Kuntu Blanche.
Okay.
Na nyumba ya.
Nyumba yi.
Bato Akabwa featuring Sinaso.
Okay, Akabwa featuring Sinaso.
Bato yo.
All right. Hey, tell already. Inspector nya no kwa na beba ye nyina ye beba. Tell you. That's before. All right. All right, you. Okay, 0551667755. 0551667755. Why and open so wishing happy Vows Day. All right. Obi wa homa so this shebe ni.
Anakwame.
Aja kwam Taylor.
Yes, I was.
Champion na bibia bako there.
Ajana domo ayeboko.
Right.
But adekasia to mini rojane dikeni mu ani enyeze ya hwere yan dofo yan mentor enyezo nti la shukini na mabutu kwa
too bad. Enti no sabre wine na wo pese wo wish you happy Vows Day. Na no da me awon ne gasa.
Eja Kwame Taylor.
Oh, madam.
And Happy Vows Day or for Ben na wo wish no Happy Vows Day na fe bisa nyumba ko fama no.
Yo, me da se me am do for ba ko pe obi anim no. Oba pa ahunfedia hawa onia na me do for obi ani hobi. Eni lumba nyombi aye de ana okora mbonsa. Love is on the air.
I see your moluma nyumia now for your ponsa nyumia. All right, sure. Okay, yeah, that's it. All right. 05546677. That was it.
Kwame Taylor. Yeah, that for Kwame Taylor. Yeah,
papa. Mami for you. Audition baby.
I was upon you some fucking money.
Na bibia boko there money.
Na me adumo.
Na me pacho kasa yi money.
Me kasa si asase koko.
Okuma ni. No waje biso so kwape ma no me da se. Woni na no da me ankasa na bisa no
money. Wana na ndo wishing a happy Vows Day. Na fe say bisa nyumba ko efama no.
Me and my wife, just finish. Ma wilawe. And I'm wishing happy birthday.
Na nyumba.
Thank you. Sawo. And I was in there.
Yo, me da se pa, yeah da se money. Kwame Mpere.
Ebi ana we hear birthday so kan wa.
So be one man, you should be birthday. Mami go be wa. Audition baby. Ene ye Dr. Labi.
Hello.
Zoka.
Me ba jo wana me ne gasa. Oh, Zoka happy birthday. Me ba jo wana me ne gasa yi.
Over me
Pakwesi ewo Eva. Okay, na Pakwesi bibia boko. Mi ame Pakwesi ni ana.
Nyame ade bibia boko.
Akuba ni.
Ku afa mangano.
Ade se bomodi ana one na no da. Na one ne ngasa. Je so. Na biza de enwom yi.
Pacho ene hona na ya o sweet vow. E na enwom ben na wo bi say de amano.
Me sweet vow na no da me.
Anapa mi gender bi so mo nsam Kwame Mpere di ya Pakwasi di ya cheye no yi ano Pakwasi di ya cheye
the boy I don't know what prayer says here okay
Pakwasi di ya
mama na no see why mama na no see na Pakwasi kasa
no me ba to na fe me we say Nelly Krantima me wishing a happy Vows Day.
Nelly baby I will be a Yamisha.
What's your approach, Nelly? What's your Nelly? Yo, Marion.
And about Nelly, assemble, you know, a chess person, or Chan assemble. And you know, say Chan, Sandy Paya, or General Sabaso.
Mammy Phobia, the Bajadish baby. Priscilla, only the boy, said you are having a call.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
What did you say, Naka, friend?
My family Priscilla, my friend.
And you may want to go to eight. And you may want to own and buy a Valentine. And you may name one.
Now, and you money, your mama, Ebenezer.
Come back.
Come back to me.
Come back to me.
Okay. Yama, come back to me. Oh. Hey,
and you made it.
Yeah, that is some. I see Yama, come back to me. Baby, come back. Okay. Mami Phobia, what is your baby?
The family tender, I'm cousin for my fear.
Tanda Bibiaba call man for there.
Because I will.
Yamigu Sushai, one day about him, a yen another me, Akasa Uti.
Agrada. Pacho, and the one a sweetest vow. Na face uboni di ya no ebisa nyom ba ko e dia mano
e freno safi amoro ni bisa akwabu nyom mano mberi asise me bedo nko a
oya go po ho wa no ene asembe ba
also mberi asise bedo nko a dia boy
akwabi okwa asore na yesi on to nyum na nyame ase o se asembe ba yare pona
eba jadi chebedi. Hello where there Ranadi A.K.A call you mami oba me ba che France na agasafi
meka me afemi koni meka safi amanfo
koni kasafi amanfo oni A.K.A nkasa
ba koni.
Oh,
what free so? Yeah, we teach you about it.
Okay.
About calling from
0554667755.
Jordan, you do about Jordan, you.
Adi about calling Diana. About calling Biana.
Radio, about Pakuzen.
Hey! Oko idia miana mefa. Where there, Madam Ase, miana mtonza frame, me imefim. Oba pa mi mama Akwaaba. Appreciate Panso. Oh! Any the boy na yeah.
Hey, governor.
Governor.
I know they don't can person me to so about Beka governor asem.
Oh, send one Beka.
And no
go get there.
Oba fra, we be say my governor.
Okay. Mama pa ko we.
We be say my zigi.
Odi je be ni.
So, Oba pa kuzen.
Okay. Oba pa sabre wan na ya over.
Hey, Mr. Governor Papa B.
Papa B, Mr. Governor, Papa mute. We say to be o so wan.
Mr. Governor Papa B.
Papa B.
Wow.
Where there? What time for now? My sister said we need to
No, Ojina say see o kasa free.
Also kasa free.
Me kasa wa Papa kuzen wa.
Okay.
O wa no enti o go governor.
Make it opposite.
Yo.
I want to make a safe.
Okay, yo mate. Samre Obapa nyomani ya mama governor.
Oh, Akwabu anyum. Me be wi asum se me be do no nko a governor. Mo manu mama.
Okay, Uber we asum so be do governor nko a. All right, nyami shall be bre Obapa ya that say. Right, sure. What's it? How many dey?
Yakopoma. Ogo sura the word.
Gaga no why. Na Yakopoma so the order for nipa mu say ono nipa.
Baba Jaro.
Madam Vic be frama why. Okay, me ba to this she be ni.
Ma she me Connie.
Okay, Connie Asamba. Kwame Mpere Connie aba.
Oh, Awaba Connie.
Yeah.
Bibi I fine.
Ma she.
Okay. And then why na only ni chiso anwumre na enwombe na obisa. Enso ade amano.
Chiso say why na you over?
Sabo na yechiro mo.
Chiso no ko
chiso. Oba mo chiso. Oba Connie mo chiso.
Yo, me da see your man.
Your friend Ora.
Ora ye din.
Your friend Ike.
I see Ora Ike.
Ora Ike. Oti.
Oh, man,
yeah. Oti am for ya.
If you be house number. Ba ko hwe no. Anyu bisanyo mano.
I'm maybe sign Jom way Akwaaba.
Akwaaba no nyombe.
Jom bia.
Okay, nyom bia ye be bo ama.
So Akwaaba we ya so nyumo.
Akwaaba table
okay, mama for 2 more calls. Well, na fe yen drop in nyom ne mu bia one after the other.
Never. Me kura me bo ho ban.
Never could that no bo ban.
Say e ba na approve for abeche Valentine.
Ena o eti
Mako imu dia si wo.
Odi chebe die.
Yes, I'm na me ka say
na abra koko asema ko die. Overall was some of the boy ni you are munko Facebook live mu be hu ni yakọ studio mu a na hey that boy eti wo de aduane na be si ha
me de mu de na si kitchen
wo de hifo de
wo oda mi ani
okay eti abna koko asema ko de Okoman ni
okay afima yana
wo papa yo chewaje why
I told you say your mama my Christopher and sister Chowengele.
Hey, sister Chowengele no betipa.
Sister
Chowendelen. Chowendelen Joan. Na no da me wo. E na mo se ni A.K.A ni eden. Betty wo hu. Okay. Yo matemeda se na no da me yes ye chia o. E na Chowendelen.
Chowendelen.
What's it? One guy umpo. Mami for last caller. Me for choya me last caller. If I say na kasefi.
Nana.
Yes sir. Oh Nana ya oni ana.
Sina bajomare.
That's right. Enyumre so ni baby e be hia.
Me aware.
Serious corner hona me pa cho for Mrs. Bra na vegetable na monyum ani.
Me bajomare.
All right, super. Samre bomodi ya chia eye over ene. Na no da me ane nkasa na bizanza ne Valentine friend say.
Pacho ene no Valentine ene hwan.
Oh,
me boni di ya na we bi say nyom e de amano.
Me dofo ya friend no Eunice Asabia ye boa.
I see your friend here no Eunice Asabia ye boa Mrs. Kan.
Mrs.
Did one friend saying.
Did one friend saying. I also did one. Amasabia.
Okay, Pacho bisa nyom mano.
Mame lumba nyuma da fomboko.
Okay, yo mate yo Kwame I'm told that for Brana. One asoma de bebre mu ahaso. Mesiro pa sa only the boy.
Did you by the
Chowengele.
And I want in Gabella.
As I want in Gadamu.
Let me drop the song one after the other. And it is what it is. I will request a new way. Mami mama dia mama. Wait if we special person be also come back and come Ebenezer. Oh no, see Ebenezer and Samra back to oh no. That is the song.
Oh, school boy, come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Guy, what you say? In why you oh, school girl, come back to me. Come back.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
sugar, come back to me. Me know I be baby. I don't know. Oh, school boy, come back to me. All right, check it on time once again. It's exactly 27 after 5. Another song from people. What I say, new man crofasher that requested pass special one pa. I'm so I'm done. I'm feeling me mono over and over again. But without wasting my time, another request. Obapa Cuisine and Kofo Bebre requested this same song, Akwaaba. Also by we also by Dawn in Koa, and this is the song.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm saying I'm about sign. I'll drop this song. Okay, and okay.
What is that? Imagine. Sorry, no ba. One drink. Go dance one drink. When the minche I'm into mintina, me wanna swim into mingaza. Me do it say I no pay me. Me baby sister, me better don't go. Until you hear me more, me know via. Me baby sister, me better don't go. But do you don't sing via. Me baby sister, me better don't go. Someone to call my own. Me and I make now I found someone to sit on my throne. Oh, my friend, no him man, no friend me, him. I don't be me to be honest, boy, yeah. Me mau be janga me yet, yeah. Engozi said for better sentiment, yeah. To my shame, when you are living, when I'm near Sanya me, you know. When I'm near Sanya me, you know. When I'm near Sanya me, you know.
When you have that special person, no being an okasa se with your sampa, me be we asasa me be do unkwa. You are blessed beyond curse. What I say. Once again, going out to all the sweet ladies out there, to the gentlemen as well. If you love me, I love you to the mass. If you hate me, I still love you to the mass. And without wasting my time, let me drop the next track. Adult music. Adult music.
That's all.
Ooh, me day, all day me day, all day you bring me what day, and then you bring me new betty a groovy. One man time a day, family to a bam. Never went to Granuma soon. Peter Bay, what you be a me do? Me and my Abujan swag go in and Muakana can read a Kodakabi. I just said in the morning, oh, day in Miami, oh, day in Miami, for condo, yeah. Oh, I am a fool. I think I am a fool. Damn it, oh. Then my feelings are so common. Oh, I am a fool. Oh, yeah.
Fetchy, Bawo, now I said, me catch, say, if you are saying, I want to say, you know, about cuisine or quack or a cock. I don't know if I love later. And you know, what's it? We are seeing the still job, baby. We are seeing the scene. I so love the world, not the church. Yeah. Hey. No, Babu, you Kwame. You Babu, if you are second, can you know? Yo, me that say. Catch me. If you are saying, I can't jam catch a mouth for you. Maybe back penny a corner. Come on, I wouldn't play ticket. I want to make ever. Israel. Okay. All right. Now, almost how much visa? Come on, Pike. Service are not got you. Visa on arrival. And Unimeno. Maybe we'll go to a okay. And then you make out good. I will them. Okay. Okay, I never be a back on. Be a Kwame no who saw done. Now, say no more you walk in so. Only baby, me person my boss already. The only some more Bosumas or baby. Okay, may I say? Drop it another strike. I say Ghana boys are now. Someone who sells software back here. Baby, other me across or no. Me ba job boss you know I me pass them. Baba ko tonyum. Atonyum. Oh, let me almost soft penny in the bar. Okay. But what do Ghana girls in that? Okay. Ghana boys in nyum ni. Yeah. Rough time records. Swedish on the beat. Play it boy, I don't like you. 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 Today you and Rita, tomorrow Linda. Okay, nyami ya money that's what you see. Actually, be share the boy call na last words. Mu nyina 1 2 seconds each. Okay, back. Okay, each be passive nyina. Okay, right. Yeah, be passive material nyumri be vase day no. Okay. This is so nyumri otemenka chocolate nso akoche ewo adwuma mu yesu yegu ha. Be sere. Me say nyumri nya den general honorable Dankokubutri or the cake any chocolate never come press before your ha. Okay, yes, Kwame bra.
Finest.
Bro.
Yeah, okay, mami chia. Mami. Okay. Now who say me done pa. Yes, me done pa. No, na emanyina mu feel A.K.A no. Me so me done pa. And then them account me say oh baby I expect to be a few more years. And ya dey be back. Okay. Why? Okay. Right. Mami ko that's right. Odabia.
Finest.
Why are you saying so money dini and tax into no? What do you find what did the one? Okay. Okay.
Wish me mommy.
I said one no boss one.
Me wish me mommy and Mrs.
Debut. I said why still why coffee? Kata straight.
Me wish me mommy.
You want to confess? Okay. Adamia, if you know. Abraham any Castro.
Me chiame mami, me want for chia. Me chiame mami, me wish she on Mrs. Happy Valentine's Day. And Mr. Dami. Also ja.
Antiobu.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Parliament Sport.
And sister ya.
And afi me tie phone na so Happy Valentine's.
And sister Parliament Sport. And Parliament Coastal.
Yeah.
And Yaro. Ana Yaro ni bube omo yenu mo kroma na mo ni.
Yaro de na yenu ana bube no. Bube de am say.
Bube no so only dey alone.
Madam Asepa. Abuja from Okoman Akwaaba Mpere once again. Me fast that I say for more BBRO me bia and to my lovely production team I can't love you less. You always support me to the max. To God be the glory. Abuja Kai Say da me se mo do indika wo bibi biara wo beye bia mu na fe ka asem we na fanante wo hia wo nua asrekire no is that say nipa anse hwe solid 37 after 5 nyame amani atiasa Thursday na nwumre ba bia ukobi ahwe ye ene se wo ma be mi jo e de ma Akwaaba with this one but you share with Surrey joint
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
What do you say? I don't feel me. What is that? That's imagine. Sorry, I'm about one drink. Go dance to one drink. When you mention I'm into mintina, me wanna swim into mingaza. Me do it, say I don't pay me. Me baby, I say, me better don't go, me better don't go. Until you hear me. To call my own, me and I make a now I found someone to sit on my throne. Oh, me friend, no him man, just a friend, me or him. I don't be me to be at you. Boy, yeah, me mau be janka me yet, yeah. Encos is a po better sentiment, but to mercy, me no I live when him near Senia me, you know. When I'm near Senia, when I'm near Senia,
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
What do you say? I don't pay me. When I'm near ya, I'm a me. What do you say? I don't pay me. It's when I'm in money from you. I want I'm a body, didn't get you. What do you say? I don't pay me. sa sa sem